So in a prior video, we talked about demolition of the old house and saving that lumber, not throwing it out. Well, here we are on site, and here we are using this old lumber that was on the original structure as headers. We have a header over here. We have a header over here. What is this? This is a 4x10 header we're able to repurpose. Again over here, 4x10 header. Now, we walk through this jungle of framing, and this will be the bedroom wing of the house. Repurpose that, another 4x10 header. This spans about 10 foot. And we have another one over there, you can see it was painted. And we're gonna continue using that wood. And I'll even show you over here what's being done. We have a framer here working away. You can see some of this lumber was painted, some was used as form boards. We have it used all along here. This entire understructure is all repurposed, reclaimed material taken off the original structure. If it's good, why throw it out? And like the framer was saying, he's like, this lumber doesn't even warp as much. I mean, you get the grain like that. You get the grain like this. You don't have the warping problems you have with the new lumber. You get brand new lumber, and it warps and twists. Framers love it, and we're doing the environment a good service.
When you buy a 2x4, in a couple of months, it's gonna get all skinny and twisted. And this one, this is pretty good wood.
Please press that like button and subscribe to our channel, as we're gonna have a lot more content on building ideas and uses for reclaimed materials, as well as how-tos, so stay tuned.